In a quiet Ohio town, a brutal 1974 tornado roared through, leaving dozens dead and hundreds injured, memories that would take generations to heal. As night fell, strange lights hovered above the rubble, flickering like distant beacons and fueling rumors of watchers from beyond the clouds. A weary reporter walked scorched streets, noting torn signs and shadows that seemed to dance with the wind. Scientists offered meteorological explanations, yet locals whispered of extraterrestrials observing the devastation. This chapter joins America's storm lore, where disaster meets rumor and the unknown lingers.